How to lock camera on Android phone. So let's start. First of all, we need to open Play Store. Here install app lock pro, then open it. Here get started. Set 4-digit pin, then make a 4-digit password, create, then save it. Not right now, so let's do it. Tap on here, give permission, give all permission, allow. So okay, here tap on locked, remove all these apps. So tap on unlocked. Here select camera. So camera locked successfully. So here you can see. Thanks for watching.